Some people call them nachos, some people call them nachos. I've no idea why they call them nachos. To me, it's nachos. I'm going to make this intro short and sweet, but I'm going to be making nachos. I fancy some nachos, but with a twist. And my nachos are going to be a little different. I'm going to be making mine with waffle fries. If you haven't tried making nachos with waffle fries, you're missing out because they're absolutely delicious. So I'm going to show you how I make my nachos, and these are a little healthy.
Right, let's start off where the flavour's at, the meat. Add olive oil to a pan. I'm using a good strong cast iron pan for this. Add onions and sweat for about 3 to 4 minutes, just until soft. Add the meat. I'm using ground chuck. It's got fat and it tastes so good.
Make sure you get some nice caramelization on that meat. Just leave it alone. Pack it flat. Leave it alone.
See all those brown bits from the meat? That is flavour and you want that. Right, let's make this meat come alive. Add cumin, chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder and balsamic. This will add a great pop to the meat. Now give everything a good stir. Next, add black beans. Pinto and kidney beans also work well. Then stir. Add some stock. I use vegetable stock. If you haven't got any stock, you can certainly use water. Now bring to a light boil. You want that stock to almost disappear. Remember the brown bits at the bottom of the pan? The stock will just lift them from the pan, creating more flavour. Season to taste with salt and pepper. I like to add a little hot sauce. Stir all that goodness well and put to one side. This is for the grilled corn. Mix butter and cumin. This little mixture is amazing for grilled corn. Now place in the microwave for about 25 to 30 seconds until the butter is melted. Add corn and jalapeno to a hot grill, brushing that mixture all over. You just want to get a nice char on them. When cooked, place in a bowl. For my toppings, I made a simple salsa. Next, diced tomato, add to a bowl, followed by grilled jalapeno and corn. I like to add a little bit of red wine vinegar, just to wake them up. Season with salt and pepper, stir well, and that's it. Right now, for the good bit. Use your favourite maker waffle fries. Now cook in the oven until crispy. You want these to be crispy. Floppy nachos are not good. Add your meat on top, followed by the cheese. I just use the Mexican blend, and use as much as you like. Now place under the grill until the cheese is melted. I like to have some avocado on my nachos. Add 2 avocados to a pestle and mortar, and grind them to a paste. If you haven't got a pestle and mortar, use a bowl and the back of a fork, and a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Look at that, you know that's going to taste good. Add the salsa, some thinly cooked red onions, quick guac, sour cream, and some greenage. I use cilantro. This is all to your personal taste. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. I know you want to dive into that. I know I did. Look at it. Get a shave, Steve. But I am glad you made an effort to get an haircut. Thanks, guys.